back in here. Go open the window. Hi. Hello. Oh, wow. That's right. Okay. Hey. Well, I don't know it. This is like a random video of me. I'm crazy. Oh. What? Chloe tried to fake look creamy. And I'm really tired. And I'm spending the night with her tonight. That's not very good because I have to go to church in the morning, and last night she kept throwing marshmallows at me when I was trying to sleep. And so she gave it to me again, and I threw it like down my staircase. And she got mad. I thought it was funny. Random laughing. Chloe. Yeah, I do think it's funny. What?
I eat Poptarts around my so I can't put the microwave.
You don't put Pop-Tarts in the microwave.
Chloe did it home.
Chloe, you explode.
No, I won't. You put it at the 15
No, you don't. You put it in the toaster.
No.
You don't put your freaking Pop-Tart in the microwave. Ow! Fatty. She...